Hello viewers. Today in this video we will talk about what is Humana One dental insurance plan. So let's talk about what is Humana One dental plan. So about your plan, a good health starts with a healthy mouth, regular dental exams and the cleaning can lower the risk of gum disease, which is linked to heart diseases, diabetes, stroke, and other serious conditions. The Humana One complete dental plan is designed for people who are looking to maintain their oral health through regular and the dental exams and the cleanings. The plan offers affordable coverage for preventive. So the basics and the major services like routine cleaning, exam fillings, dentures, and extractions. You can lower your cost by choosing one of the more than 270,000 dentist locations in the Humana Dental PPO network. And though you also can visit humanadental.com to find a participating specialist who can enroll in this plan. Anyone is enrolled in this plan. Anyone can enroll in this plan. A child, teenagers, or adults. Anyone can enroll in this plan. So how your plan works in calendar year deductible. This is the amount you will pay out of pocket for services in a calendar year. One individual, man or person, anyone, male, female, child, anyone is $50 per head. So deductible waiver for in-network preventive services. So for family, you can pay $150 deductible waiver for in-network preventive services. As the annual and the maximum amount you will that the plan will pay in a calendar year, you can pay $1,250 for 1 year, and for next year you can pay $1,500 for next year and after per individual on the plan. So co-insurance options, preventive services. So this is no waiting period, routine oral examination limit 2 per year. So limited oral evaluation limit 2 per year. So limited oral evaluation limit 1 per year. So in a network coverage or out of a network coverage. So you can read this one as a bite-wing X-rays, one set of films per year for covered person under age 10 and up to 4 films per year for covered person age 10 and older. Panoramic film combined with full mouth, limit 1 every 5 year, age 12 and up. Cleanings, limit 2 per year. Topical fluoride treatment, limit 2 per year. Sealants, limit of 1 per tooth per lifetime, age 14 and under. So basic, the 6-month waiting period applies policyholders who provide proof of 12 months prior coverage are exempt from the waiting period. So emergency case for pain relief, extraction and root removal, so fillings or and the composite covered on front teeth only. Space maintainers age 14 and under, initial placement only. Prefabricated stainless steel crowns. So the Humana One dental plans is a co-insurance plan. So you can also check out the network dentist can bill you for charges above the amount. You can also check out the this one as a so the dental limitation and the exclusion. So he is an outline of the limitation and exclusion for this Humana individual so dental plan, or it is designed for convenient reference. Consult the policy for a complete list of limitations and exclusion. So unless specifically stated otherwise, no benefits will be provided for or an account of the following item: any expenses incurred while a covered person qualifies and for any workers' compensation or occupational diseases act of law, whether or not the covered person apply for coverage services. So this is the number two, and the number two services that are the free or that are covered person will not be required to pay for if they did not have this insurance. For the Humana One dental plan is from an reimbursable to the United States government or any of its agencies as required by law, furnished by or payable under any plan or law through any government or any political subdivision. This does not include Medicare or Medicaid, or furnished by any United States government owned or operated hospital, institution, and agency. Any loss caused or contributed by number one is war or any act of war, whether declared or not, taking part in a riot, so commission of or an attempt to commit a criminal act, engaging on illegal profession or occupation, any act of armed conflict, or any conflict involving armed forces of any authority. So any expense arising from the completion of farm, so failure to keep an appointment with the provider, so services we consider cosmetic dentistry unless it is required as a result of an accidental injury sustained while the covered person is covered under the policy. So this is the point seven. So charges for any type of implant, and just 1 minute I will show you that any type of implant and all related services, including crowns or the prosthetic device attached to precession or semi-precession attachment, over dentures, and any endodontic treatment associated with our dentures. So other customized attachments, 3D imaging, temporary and interim dental services, separate charges for materials or use of equipment such as lasers or any other. So separate charges for treatment rendered in a clinic, dental or medical facility owned, operated, sponsored, or maintained by either the employer or any covered person. So by an employer of any covered person, any service related to number one, any service is related to altering vertical dimensions of teeth, restorations or maintenance of occlusions, supplanting teeth, including multiple abutments, or any service to stabilize permanently weakened teeth, so replacing tooth structure lost as a result of abrasions, attritions, erosions, or abractions, or bite registration or bite analysis, infection control, including but not limited to the sterilization technique. So these are the points of dental limitations and exclusion, as you will hear very carefully, and you will read about that the Humana One dental plan is had all limitations, policy, and exclusion. So these are the few ones, and much more. And the number 10 is the fees for treatment performed by someone other than the application of fluoride that can be performed by a licensed dental hygienist. The treatment must be rendered under the supervision and the guidance of the dentist in accordance with the generally accepted dental standards. So, any hospital, surgical, or treatment facility, or for services of an anesthesiologist, so you can accept a dental standard. So anesthetic or prescription drugs or pre-medications, whether dispensed or prescribed, so services not specifically listed in the schedule of policy, so benefit sections. And the number 14 So read out the Humanas and much more. So insured by the Humana insurance company, and the application are subject to approval, waiting for periods may apply, limitations and the exclusions apply. These are the limitation and the exclusion. I read it and I tell that these are the exclusions. A few I read it for you, and a few ones is left. So you can read carefully about the limitations and the exclusion, because the limitation and the exclusion is apply on your documents. So these documents contain a general summary of benefits, exclusion, and limitations. Please refer to the policy for the actual terms and conditions that apply. In the email, there are discrepancies with the information given in this document. So the terms and the conditions of the policy will go on. For more information, go to the Humana.com or contact your sales agent. Policy. This is the policy number that you can uh, see very clearly, and much more. So multi-language interpreter services. So and much more. So these are the Humana one dental plan. As I read it the Humana one complete dental, and the dental limitation and the exclusion also. These are the very, you can hear very, and you can read very carefully the limitation and the exclusion, because it's applies, and it's apply the charges on you on your document. So these are the Humana one dental plan. So see you in the next video, and take care and goodbye.